Hello everyone, welcome back to Kiki's learning video. Today we are going on a treasure hunt, but not for gold, not for jewels. We are going to look for special sounds. Yes, you heard me right. We are going to look for sounds hidden in the letters. When two individual letters join forces together to make a brand new sound, this special sound is called digraph. Digraph. You can think of them as a special secret agents. Those are working on one special mission together. For example, A and T. A have individual sound A and T have individual sound T, A, T. When they come together, what sound does they make? Act. So this is called digraph. When two letter sounds becomes one, this is called digraphs. Let's meet our first secret agent. This is Mr. C. He is a cool cat. But when Mr. C teams up with his sneaky little friend, Miss H, they produce a brand new sound. Now let's focus on the sound of letter C. C says ah and H says ha. But when they teams up, what sound they produce? Ch. What is the brand new sound C and H makes together? Ch, ch, like choo choo in the train. Ch, like chair. Ch, like chalk. Ch, like cheat. Ch, like chatting. What sound does C and H makes together? Ch. Can you repeat after me? Ch. Good job! Now, let's sing a song for our brand new sound. Ch. Ch, ch, can you find the sound? Ch, ch, can you listen around? Chalk chair, child in the park. The ch sound is hiding. Let's find out. There are many other digraphs. Those are waiting to be discovered. Let's see, friends, if we can find some more today. Do you know which letter is this? This is our silly little fellow, Mr. S. And this is again our sneaky little friend, letter H. So our silly little friend and sneaky little friend, when come together, they again makes a new sound. Miss H loves to spend time with every letter. Most probably she is friend with every letter in the alphabet. Now S makes S sound and H says H. But when they come together and join their forces to work on one mission, they makes sh sound. Sh sound. Can you do sh with me? That's right. They together makes sh sound. Sh as in shark. Sh as in shout. Sh as in shirt. Can you think of any new words that starts with this brand new sound? Wow, that's amazing. You are doing good job. Shh, shh. Can you find the sound? Shh, shh. can you listen around? Shh, shh, can you find the sound? Shh, shh, can you listen around? Shirt, shoulder, shark in the sea. Shh, sound is hiding. Can you find with me? Now friends, let's move on to our next digraph. This is our Mr. T. He's very arrogant and very proud of himself. He is Tiny Tim. And again, when this Tiny Tim joined forces with our sneaky little H, they produce a brand new sound. We know H says H, but what does T says? T says T, T as in tap, T as in turtle. H says H, H as in house, H as in hen. But when they join forces and makes a one brand new sound, they say T, T, T as in thumb, T as in thirsty, T as in third. What brand new sound do they make? Good job! Now friends, let's sing a song for our brand new sound. Th as in third, th as in thumb, thumb, theater, th as in third. What sound does this T and H makes together? Good. I hope now you know friends that what digraphs are. They aren't any scary monsters hiding under your bed. They are just two letters coming together to make a one new sound. And with the help of this video and songs, you can easily learn some more digraphs. Let's search for our another detective digraph which is hiding in new two sounds. Now friends, we have our another secret letter who wants to join force with another letter to make a brand new sound. But first, let us recall that what sound does letter P makes? P says P. Now, our sneaky little H is again here to help letter P. Letter P and H when comes together, can you guess what new sound they makes? They says just like letter F. They says P and H comes together, they make sound as in phone, as in phantom, as in photo, as in elephant. Look friends, here is a phone. When we say its name, it makes a sound. And this big guy is an elephant. When we say its name, it has sound hidden in between his name. Let's say it together. Elephant. Elephant. Very good. So, PH when comes together, what sound do they make? Let's practice together. Alright, my phonic detectives, it's time for our last digraph and the sound that they will make together as a joint force. Let's look for our letter W. Letter W individual makes W sound. What sound does it make? W. And now We have again our sneaky little Miss H. H says H. Now R, W and H will come together. What do you think? What sound will they make? They says wah, wah, wah as in why, wah as in what, wah as in whale. What sound does W and H makes together? Wah. W joined hands with her sneaky little friend and they make sound wah together. Now, when they come in words like whale, whisper, what, wheel, we hear the sound wah. Isn't it fun to learn sounds in this way? Look at this giant whale swimming in the ocean. It makes a big wah sound when it blows water. Now look at these children. They are whispering. Can you hear the wah sound in whale and whisper? That's right, there is a wah sound in these words. Can you think of any other letter that starts with this individual sound? V? Good job. I'm so proud of you. Look at you, my digraph detectives. You have done an amazing job in learning some new sounds. Now you know that digraphs are no monster. They are just two individual letter sounds coming together to make one brand new sound. To practice these sounds at home, you can look around and search some objects that starts with that sound. For example, you can look for something that starts with ch sound. For example, chair. You can look for cheese. You can look for chalk or any other object. Well, these are just limited sounds that we learned today. There are many more to come in our upcoming videos, and to learn those, do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video so that we can learn and grow together. Bye-bye. See you soon in our another video.